This is Innovalia.
Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to join paths or segments into one path in Adobe Illustrator Creative Cloud. Alright, so let us open Illustrator. So these are the segments or the split up paths that I would like to join together as one shape or one path. Alright, so first I have to align them together by dragging them and moving them closer. I can zoom in to be more precise. The paths must align properly. Alright. Now this shape is complete, but it is still split into segments. Now coming to this path, we can just move it here. We need to align these segments properly. Now our alignment is complete. Now all we can do is drag a marquee around these segments to select all of them, then right click on them and click on join to join these segments into one path and one shape. Alright. Now you can check it out, all these segments have been joined or not by using this direct selection tool. You can see there are not many anchor points, and if you drag these anchor points up, you can see this path connected. Alright, Control Z. Now select these segments as well, right click on them and click on join to join them to make a single path. Alright, now you can use this direct selection tool to confirm if the segments have been joined. See? Now in case if there are two anchor points, you can delete one of them. You have to be very careful while doing it because you also need to maintain the shape. You can make that part smooth by clicking on here. Alright. The same cases here, there are two anchor points present. Hit Ctrl Z, zoom in closer, use the delete anchor point tool to delete the anchor point. Now select this anchor point and click on smooth. See, the path is ready once again. So this is how we can join segments into paths and paths into shape. Alright. So stay tuned and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials on Adobe Illustrator. Until then, keep drawing, stay safe, and thank you.